Hundreds of Toledoans packed Savage Arena this morning to honor the life and legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. The 17th annual Unity Celebration was filled with inspirational videos and performances. This year's theme, A Threat to Justice Anywhere, is a threat to justice everywhere.
We know today that no bullet can kill a dream.
Dignitaries, community members, and students celebrated the life of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. at the University of Toledo this morning.
His life was transformative to the United States of America.
So this is someone who, at the earliest age in his life, the earliest ages, was making a difference.
Through dance, video presentations, and gospel music. Today, close to a dozen students also received college scholarships to help them realize their dream of higher education. Perhaps the most moving portion of today's event was made possible by the Toledo Opera Association. This is Darnell Ishmael performing I Dream. It's the signature song from Douglas Tappan's I Dream. The modern R&B opera recounts Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s final 36 hours. Presentation will premiere in Toledo this spring. Toledo opera leaders say the performances of I Dream will provide an opportunity to bring people together for a shared experience that is powerful and transformative, much like today.